pouring epoxy with silicone mold from H-Valley Tools. These molds are super user-friendly. Just spray a little mold release, you'll have ready-to-use coasters in no time. Using SuperClear Epoxy, I mix up all my pigments and start to pour. Be sure to watch until the end for a surprise from the purple coasters. Best part of these molds: if you're not adding wood to them, they're ready to use in 24 hours. No finish needed. Glow-in-the-dark pigments. H-Valley Tools silicone molds. Get these plus plenty of other shapes and sizes today at www.hvalleytools.com.